This is the 5-phase cycle I use to architect and realign offers, products, startups, creative projects, whether I'm creating something new or evolving something that already exists. I go deeper in the podcast and newsletter, and you can always find more at everydayinnovation.io. But here's a high-level structure to help you figure out what phase you're in and where to focus next. So up top, clarify, architect, validate, activate, and integrate. So clarify, what's the signal underneath the noise? This is where you pause and you clean up your inputs. You ask, what's the real problem I'm solving now, not 6 months ago? Who am I building this for? What's shifted in me, in my market, or around me? And this is where you get honest about direction before you overinvest in speed. Next is architect. What are you really building? This is the true design phase, so the form, the function, and the role this plays in your world. You can ask yourself, what model fits your goals and capacity? What does this unlock for me and the people that I'm building for? And where does it live? In my current ecosystem, or do I need to create something new? So you're not just packaging an idea, you actually want to shape how it's going to operate in the world. Next is validate. So where's the risk and what do you need to learn? So this is testing and experimenting with intention. Questions are, what assumptions haven't been proven yet? What could break if it's not true? And what's the simplest way to find that out? So some things to try are like a soft beta, a pre-sale, maybe a back channel convo with some aligned people. You want to test the right things, not everything at this stage. Next is activate. So how are you bringing this to life? You want to have the momentum, not the noise, right? So what is the rhythm of this release? What narrative are you inviting people into in the conversations you're having? Is this a drop? Are you building more connection? It's not just launch strategy. You want to make sure that it is relational. You have to show a story behind it and create an experience. And then integrate. What is worth carrying forward? This is the part that most people skip. What worked and why? What stretched me or my team too far? Where did the energy feel off even if the numbers were good? You can metabolize this whole experience and update the system, refine the offer, decide what repeats or evolves, and then you can also check to see if you want to grow this. Integration is where all this leverage starts. You're able to scale and not just to scale, right? So this rhythm is more of a cycle than a checklist. You'll come back to it every time something grows, breaks, shifts, starts to feel off. In the next video, I'm going to show you how this plays out in a real world business example.